How to use Binance margin trading features. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to use Binance margin trading features. So for that case, all you have to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and that your account is verified. Now to begin with the procedure, click on the Binance logo from the top left hand side bar, and here you'll be able to see all of these options. So all you have to do is just go ahead and click on the more services button, and you should be able to find the margin trading feature right on this page. So when you locate margin or margin trading, it's going to show you this sort of interface. So click on start trading. Now you could go to the margin trading account page and select the transfer asset, and likewise you could also borrow. To start borrowing, select borrow on your margin trading account, then confirm the asset, and then visit the margin trading page to start margin trading as well. And likewise you could go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt, and that's how you can use the Binance margin trading features. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.